So about a 20-minute wait, which is
that's good. It's better than what I expected.
surprising given how busy this place looks.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
Me too.
Maybe because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day anything but a honey bun. And not that honey buns aren't fulfilling. But I need some substance. I need some real food.
Yes. So we will wait.
So what time did we get here?
I don't even know anymore. Well, we got off the ship at 12:15. It's about 45 minutes. 40 minutes.
So the 20-minute wait turned into about a 45-minute wait. So we just now got seated about 5 minutes ago, and we're just waiting to order. I think we're just gonna go with a lobster roll. Siobhan put the menu in the video.
Yes.
The lobster rolls are how much, Siobhan?
$36. $35.
So you're gonna pay a premium for the lobster roll. So we're just gonna share it.
Yes.
And then get a bowl of clam chowder.
Yes.
A little known fact about me, I don't think I've ever had clam chowder.
Clam chowder is delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's what we're doing. I expect it to be busy anyway because it's right here off of the port. And it's basically one of the first things you see off of that park, which it is a gorgeous view. So we'll probably go to that park across the street.
Yeah, that's probably all we're gonna have time for.
And we can just walk around town.
Yeah. So as it's now 1:10, the morning last tender's at 6.
Yeah.
You know Miss Parker doesn't want to be out too long. So hey, that's Captain Carhooch.
It is. And Popeye. And Pluto.
Gotta go show him that later. So
and
yeah.
The tuna from the start is.
Oh. So yeah, we're probably just gonna eat, head over to the park, walk around town for maybe an hour, probably head back to the ship. There are some places on the outskirts I want to come back and see, but we're not gonna have time today, and I wasn't about to pay the cruise line $80 to go to somewhere I can Uber to for 15.
Right.
So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah. So yeah, we will show you this artwork that we're looking at behind us here.
Fred Baby Boo. So I like it. I like a lot of stuff in that.
Yeah, it's cool. The fish is good. I'm telling you, he got some fish that's pretty good, pretty tasty. All right, so
we would have got fish and chips if I liked the fish.
Yeah, it looks good though. It looks good. But we're in Maine. We got to try the lobster roll, and we got to try the lobster roll at one of the famous places here.
Yes, apparently this place is packed. Like
People making appointments to come back.
Right.
Here.
So this is a must-do in Bar Harbour, Maine. It's just that most happening place. I can't believe I said the most happening place. Groovy. But yeah, this is a popular establishment apparently, and I can't wait to try it.
If you don't mind telling us, like, what's the most popular thing here?
I would have to say the lobster roll.
The lobster roll.
Yes. The lobster, it's either the mini lobster roll, we have the mini lobster roll, we have the regular lobster roll. We also have a lobster roll with bacon and jalapeno.
Okay.
And also our sweet potato french fries, that comes with cranberry ketchup.
Ooh.
Yes, it has a little bit spice, but yet it's sweet.
Yeah.
So, probably you should try.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. This is a clam chowder. A lot of clam chowder. I'll wait till Brandon come back and taste it. And then we also got the lobster roll. I don't know if you guys heard her or not. She said they have the mini lobster roll, the regular lobster roll, and then they have a bacon jalapeno lobster roll. She said they're very, very popular. She said the sweet potato fries comes with a cranberry ketchup, and she said it's spicy and sweet at the same time. That sounds phenomenal. So I did get sweet potato fries, but it's okay. We got some of the main things, and Yeah, so it's pretty neat to see. So yeah, we will taste when Brandon comes back, and we'll let you know how it is. So Brandon's getting. I waited specifically for you.
So if you ever come here and you want to go to the bathroom, the women's is named inboards, and the men are called outboards. So men is outboards, women is inboards. Please remember that so you don't get caught up. I didn't,
Okay.
but I can see how it can be confusing. This is a lot of food.
It's hard. Yeah.
Is it good?
I haven't tried it. I was waiting for you. I'm not gonna take your jacket off. Alright, cheers. It's good. You want oyster cracker or not?
I usually don't eat stuff like this.
Look at you. I'm proud of you.
You give me the temperature outside, this is right on time.
So we're gonna eat this clam chowder and we'll let you know when the lobster roll is.
Sorry. So it has arrived.
It has arrived. So that's the lobster roll. She gave us a sampling of the cranberry ketchup so we could try it just to see if we like it or not. I will go ahead and take this off of your hands, good sir.
Alright, I'll go ahead and try it first since I'm the new with, even though she's never had a lobster roll before either.
I've had lobster, not a lobster roll. It's kind of cold. It is cold.
I think it's supposed to be cold. It's not terrible.
Pretty darn tasty.
I'm ready.
I like the corn. It gives you sweet bites.
No, I'm not putting ketchup on.
As much as you like red sauce, you're not going to try this ketchup.
No, I don't like cranberry.
What if it don't directly taste like cranberry? You got some kick behind it. You can barely, the cranberry is very faint.
This regular ketchup is also delicious.
That's good. So,
Yes.
grade your meal.
I'll give it a solid 7.5. 7.5.
7.5?
8. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
The clam chowder was really good.
Yeah.
The lobster rolls, they were good. I mean, they were nothing like out of this world, like life changing to me. But yeah, it was a good solid meal. Got my belly full.
Yeah, absolutely. And we were able to share it. Do you want to disclose our final price of that meal?
$57. Because one, we didn't know they had like mini lobster rolls, so they ended up bringing us the big lobster rolls. And two, we ordered a big bowl of. I mean, it was a big bowl of clam chowder.
Yeah.
But we thought we were getting the $10 bowl.
Yeah.
And the big bowl was $18, and the regular lobster rolls,
but you were
like,
talking
the
on her
meal
phone?
lobster rolls are $35.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a
So if you ever come here, you don't want to spend that much. Get
mini
the mini lobster rolls, or a small bowl of
a cup of, maybe say a cup.
Cup, yes.
Maybe the guaranteed, the $10 cup of clam
yes,
chowder.
specifically for the $10 cup.
Yes. All right, so we
Congratulations, member of the month, Keisha Samuels. Thank you for supporting Parkers on the Go.